Wedding with your presence. Couldn't imagine that we ever say the goddesses of love and beauty, or goddess of wisdom, but foreseeable together of the wedding.
You are indeed. I should be so happy. Should the night of retired be fully around. You're so grandson.
Not too loud. That I see it. No one gets my seat to manage of your father's
Announcing the arrival of Zeus, god of all gods, and Hera, queen of all gods.
Why did you bring me here? I don't want to have anything to do with the merge of Ammonia and the ranking goddess. It's not worthy of my time.
Nonsense! You spend all your time with the fire ruining the other woman's life.
Not just suppose. You're woman because you don't resist. Not even voting it. You got all female creations universe. Do you expect me to
Silence!